Good morning. I believe I'm going to put this up next Thursday. So happy Thursday, the 20-something. If you haven't been watching the other two videos that have gone up, I had sick kids, blah, blah, blah. Welcome to Erica LOL Beauty and Reviews. Before I lose my mind, I wanted to record, put on some makeup, and feel better about myself. So today we're going to open the Walmart Summer Beauty Boxes. I have version 1 and version 6. So we're going to open version 6 first. And this is what it looks like. And that's the number that tells you what version you get. These are like $6.99, $7.99 every season. I like it. I mean, you don't get like glamorous products or anything, but I feel you get your money's worth. So, and there's a little thing here that tells you some of the things you might get in here. Sometimes you don't get any of these, which is so strange. Like, I want to say this isn't even on here. Wait a minute, what's this? Okay, no, it is on here. This is Salon Perfect Mani Taco reusable nail set. It says try me, includes travel. Oh, cool. I never knew that. Look. You can see how it would look on you. That's cute. 30 nails, file, travel pouch, and everything in here. Probably not going to use this because I have a ton of nail stuff back there that I'm going to have to show y'all one day when I get finished having all these family emergencies. It says this is worth $4.94. That's almost the price of the box. So that's nice. I'm trying to see if I can find my calculator, but I can't. I have a little girl running around that likes to touch everything. Alright. Then we have Playdate Multi-Use Cheek and Lip Color by AF94 Playdate. And it's in the color Soft Smile. I never heard of this, so let's go ahead and open it, because that's kind of interesting. Let's use lip and cheek tint in Soft Smile, full size. $8.98. This box is paid for with just this. I'm trying to get this to open up. There we go. $8.94, and I've never heard of it, so that's kind of interesting. Oh, I just messed it up. Okay. It does look like a color I'll use, though, so I guess it doesn't matter. And it does look like a color I'll use on my cheeks, also. Yeah. I have lip gloss on right now. I mean, it's not a out there in your face color, but it's one of those colors that I don't mind using. And it blends out to nothing. Like a flush. Put that over. I'm not going to use these, so we're going to put those over there. We're going to put this over here. Alright, the next thing is a sample size of the Maybelline Falsies Surreal. Let's see, where's it at? Extensions mascara, $9.99 for the full size. We know this isn't a full size. I don't currently have mascara on, so let's just go ahead and try it. This is a sample size. This is what the brush looks like. It's going everywhere. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna... Okay, let me use this brush for your lashes. I like the way it looks, but I like the Maybelline Falsies mascara too. I mean, it's not like dramatic, but it looks pretty good. I like it. Alright. And then we have, and for $9.99, a mascara that makes my lashes even show up is nice. So, next thing is Versed Dew Point Moisturizing Gel to Cream Green Tea Aloe Juice. Full size is $14. You can tell this isn't a full size. And it's sealed. I'm guessing this is a moisturizer. Face and neck, AM and PM, cleansing and apply serums. After cleansing and applying serums. Okay, so it's a moisturizer. I got a lot of moisturizer, so I'm going to put it on this side just in case I don't want to keep it. Oh, Mighty Patch. I've been using similar products, and I love them. These are little patches. A full size of 27 patches is $8.98. And this only has 6 patches, but these, I'm going to go ahead and put it over here. I've been using the Face Story one, and I love it. I love the Face Story ones. And I also have some that are holographic that I use. Okay, I'm going to put these things together in there. Alright, so that box was paid for with this and this, in my opinion. And then there was something else. Those are the things in there that were good. Okay. Oh, and the nails. Okay, this is going to be version 6. The number is the same except for it says V6. And then we have the little book. It tells you everything that could be in it. The first thing we have is Bolden. Get your glow on with state-of-the-art ingredients, visibly improve appearance of hyperpigmentation and spots. 1 ounce is a full size, so this is a full size. Wow. This is an $18 product. This just paid for both boxes. Not even gonna lie. $18 product for dark spots. Dark spot targets and corrects skin discoloration, melasma, while this delivering younger looking skin. It looks like it's a squeeze bottle on the picture. Yep, it's a squeeze bottle. And I don't know if y'all notice, it's starting to get a little better, but I have dark spots in different spaces, so I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna look at the ingredients, because when I was going to that one place, the getting facials done, they told me about a product that was in it that would be really good. Oh, this goes on the side. Alright, Manny to Go, another one. This one is $4.97, $4.94 from Salon Perfect. And you can put your fingers underneath here. This is so cute. Look. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the giveaway too, because I just don't use fake nails. Oh, we got some CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss. And something Good Time. I can't read that, but it's a nice little pink. This is definitely full size, and it's $7.98. Alright. And then we have some leave-in spray conditions and detangles. It's Argan Oil by Hask. I love Hask products. And then we have an extra large Glamour Bonnet by Kiss. Oh, wait. This Argan Oil thing. Full size is 6 ounces. This is only 1.7, so it's not a full size. And a full size would be $7.27. And then this is definitely a full size. It's a bonnet. I don't think I can use this. I'm not sure. Hypoallergenic, holographic. It says extra large. I don't think my head is that big. But my hair might be. It says it's $3.97. I might be able to use it for when I'm in the shower and I don't want to wash my hair every day. Might be better than the ones I was trying to use. It says that a full size is... This is a full size. Let's just be honest here. Let me open it. Oh, I don't think this is for the shower. It doesn't feel like it is. So I can't use this. Probably. I don't think I would use this. So I'll find someone who will. If y'all know anyone, like any of y'all that would use it, let me know, because this is regular fabric. This isn't going to be good for the shower for me. So let me know if any of y'all could use that, and I'll mail it to you. Yeah. So overall, though, $18, $8, $8. I mean, these boxes were more than paid for. So, yeah, I get these once couple times a year. Well, every season. And you could tell I'm like, anyways, but I'm hoping y'all enjoyed this video. There is my hair. Alright. And I need to go take care of lunch and figure out what's wrong with the sick ones. And upload the video where I put on I use these. If you haven't watched that, I use the Halo ones from Elf. So if you're interested in that, that should have been last Friday's video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.